In the transition from going to 2 meals to 1 meal a day, called OMAD, you may want to try 1.5 meals per day. That's OAAHM. I just made this up right now. Now, I have a handful of people doing this right now, and it seems to be really a good transition. It's very easy to do because you're not waiting all day long to actually have that one meal at dinner time. You're consuming the first meal at roughly about 1 o'clock, maybe 12 noon, and the second meal at 6 or maybe 5. So that's a 5-hour eating window. So that will give you a 20-hour fast. It's pretty easy to do because you're breaking up this meal. And some people that do OMAD have a very difficult time consuming all of this food, enough calories in one sitting. So this tends to break it up in a nice way. So you would consume your heavy protein for the first meal, maybe some berries and hummus, till you're really satisfied. And then 5 hours later, you have your vegetables, okay, your large salad. You're usually not going to be as hungry. Maybe you're a little bit hungry. If your family is eating, you can eat with them, so that's helpful. So you have your big salad, which is mostly fiber. And out of all the carbohydrates, fiber has the least effect on insulin. So it's not going to break you out of ketosis very much. And then you can add nuts and seeds on the salad. You could maybe add a little bit of cheese, avocado, tomato, whatever, and maybe have a keto bomb as a dessert, or maybe some peanut butter. And just so you know, fat has the least effect on insulin. So we make this meal lighter, mostly foods that don't trigger insulin that much. And so this seems to solve quite a few problems for people. Number one, it's easy to do. Number two, you're breaking up the meals so you can actually consume more calories and you can get all of your nutrients because you're separating things out. You get the benefit of a 20-hour fast, plus you're not stuffing yourself with that second meal. Most people are not as hungry if they've consumed a big protein meal in the first part of the day. And so it seems to satisfy your digestion as well. And so if you're trying to transition to OMAD or you're having a difficult time with OMAD, you may want to try this and then comment down below. Hey, before you go real quick, I have a course entitled How to Bulletproof Your Immune System. It's a free course. I want you to take it. And here's why. Here's you. Here is your environment. Everyone is focused on this over here, avoiding your environment. But what about here? What about strengthening your immune system? That's what's missing. This course will show you how to bulletproof yourself. And so you can tolerate and resist your environment much better by strengthening your own immune system. I put a link down in the description right down below. Check it out and get signed up today.